Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to control your Sony FX6 camera wirelessly on your iPad. So first of all, turn on your Sony FX6, and once it's on, what you need to do is you need to let me just open the viewfinder, and then I will long press the menu button to go to the full menus. And once I do that, it will open the full menus, and in here I will scroll down till I see network. In network I will go down all the way and click on network reset and execute it. Now it will ask me to turn off the camera and turn it on, so I will do that. I will turn off the camera and wait for the green light to go away and then turn it on. Now I will again long press the menu button to open the full menus and scroll down to the network. And in network I will go on setup for mobile app and click on execute. It will take 5 to 10 seconds, and once it's done I will go back, and in wireless LAN I will click on settings and I will change it to access point mode. Now once it's changed, I will go to AP mode settings, and in here I will go on SSID and password and click on it. Now here you can see the SSID and password of the Wi-Fi. So this Wi-Fi name is gonna be in my Wi-Fi settings of my iPad. So I will open it, I will click on it, and then I will put this password. So once I put this password, it will connect. And once it's connected, I will open Monitor and Control app, and it will show my Sony FX6 there. Once it shows Sony FX6 camera there, I will click on connect and it will ask me to authenticate. So I will have to scan QR code. So for that I will go to the setup for mobile app again, and I will click on setup. And it will show me the QR code. This is the QR code which I will scan. And once I scan, I will have all the settings of the camera. So this is how you can connect your Sony Monitor and Control app with your camera. So now let me just show you how you can control your camera in Sony Monitor and Control app. So first of all, if I see here, you can see it's black screen because I don't have any lens on. But if I remove the lens sensor cap, you can see the white highlights. So I will put it back, so you know that the display is coming in my iPad. After that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on top left corner, which is tools, and I will show you what you can have here. So here you have waveform, you have histogram, you have false color for exposure, and zebra. After that you have de-squeeze factor. De-squeeze factor is basically if you have any anamorphic lens, you can apply here and see that, like the squeeze factor of your lenses, which can be 1.25, 1.3, 1.5, 1.8 or 2. So basically you can check them here. After that you have aspect marker. What is aspect marker? Basically aspect marker is the frame lines to see 9:16 or anything like that, so you can really frame according to your social media. These are the tools which you can use for your framing and exposure and all that. But now if you want to change the camera settings like frame per second, ISO, shutter angle and all these things, how can we do that? Let me just show you. So on the down left corner you have the FPS, which is fixed. If I change it to variable, you can see on the right side we can go through the frames per second. After that you have the focus settings if you want to be in manual focus or autofocus, and then you have iris, but we don't see iris here. Why? Because I don't have any lens on my camera. If I have it, you will be able to see the iris of your lens if the lens is compatible with the camera. Now after that we have ND if we want to increase or decrease internal ND of the camera, and then you have exposure index, which is ISO. So we can change the base here, and then we can change the ISO as well. Now after that we have shutter angle and the color temperature, and right after that we have look setup. Now if you want to playback, we have the playback option here as well. You have the record format and other settings in case you want to change anything else, and then you have the record stop option of the camera here as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any more questions, put them in comments and I will reply them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.